Hi, Colin with Diode. Today in the garage, we're showing you how to install our SS5 Grille CrossLink Lightbar kit on a 2021 Ford Bronco. Let's get started. Our first step is to assemble our SS5s into a light bar using our CrossLink sections. These can be assembled in a straight or curved configuration. For a detailed how-to on our CrossLink system, check out the video in the description below. Once you have that assembled, you can go ahead and grab a T40 Torx bit and head to the front of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and remove the two outer T40 bolts above the tow hook. Then we can go ahead and grab our bracket with the flat face facing the inside and then re-secure them with those same bolts. Make sure to only leave them hand tight. Then we can go ahead and grab our other bracket and do the same thing on the other side of the vehicle. With our brackets installed, our next step is to route all of our wiring. For the main beam, we recommend you connect it to the Accessory Ready location right above the grille. And for the backlight, you can connect it to any of the other Accessory Ready locations, such as the back of the hood, or if you do have another one of our products installed that does have a backlight, it is safe to tap that into the same switch. If your vehicle does not have a factory switch panel, you'll need to use our single output harness. You'll just need to connect it to a power, a ground, and find a place to route your switch. Now we can install our light bar to our brackets. You can do this on your own, but it may be easier to have a friend help you line everything up. Then you can hand tighten in those supplied 10mm flange bolts. Now we can go ahead and tighten down the T40 bolts that hold the bracket down all the way. Then we can go ahead and plug in all of our DT connectors and make our final aiming adjustments before tightening down all those 10mm flange bolts. Not only are the SS5s the highest intensity 5-inch LED pod on the market, but by combining 6 combo optics, this will give you an absolutely insane amount of light output, both downrange and directly in front of the vehicle while you're off-roading. Along with that output, you'll also get a backlight feature with 8 selectable color options. These are designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri with durability in mind, including our single-piece CNC aluminum CrossLink brackets. If you're looking to pick up an SS5 CrossLink Lightbar for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.